behind me, I got the all-new 2018 RCF. This thing is absolutely amazing, and I'm going to go over some features of it, and so let's just jump into the review. So just how expensive is the RCF? It is $77,000 MSRP, and I'm going to show you exactly why it costs that much to have this. Under the hood, we got a 5.0-liter V8. It has 467 horsepower and 389 foot-pounds of torque. As we come around to the front, you can see this massive grille with this massive Lexus emblem in it. It looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, there's other air ducts as of here and here for the radiators. Air ducts right here, as well as on the other side, as well as the F-Sport badging. And now we move around to the back. You also got the kind of Nike swoosh looking brake lights. These things are absolutely insane. I'll show you those here in a second, with the RCF and then the F-Sport badging on there. And then at the bottom, you got this small, good-looking diffuser on the bottom here, as well as the two quad tips. And now the other cool feature of this is the rear active spoiler. It lifts up at higher speeds, and there's actually a button you can choose of how low, if you want it mid or high. I'll show you that right now. And now, let's get a cold start. The trunk could just go right here. Lifts up. There's actually quite a bit of space in here for only a two-door sports car. When I worked here, I used it a lot to carry around stuff. Actually, I approve. Then you'll just come over to the passenger door here, open it like this, and then you will be entering in one of the most amazing interiors that you will ever see, or so I believe. These doors right here are absolutely amazing. You've got Alcantara right here with the white stitching, which absolutely looks so good, especially with this blue background over here on leather. I think it matches with the car absolutely beautifully. And then you got this carbon fiber right here. Then you also got carbon fiber right there on the passenger side. Then we come around to the seats. These seats are amazing. Got the F-Sport logo right here. These bolsters are very comforting. They fit you in really well. Then if you come around to the back, just pull up on this latch, bring this down. The seat will already automatically move itself, as you can tell. Not much room for in the back. Like I said, this is a sports car, so you're not really going to be wanting to carry people around in it. Alright, and now we move into the inside of the RCF. Absolutely gorgeous. These seats just fit you in. Absolutely amazing. I love the feel of them. When you're cornering, they just hold you like a mother cradling a baby. Come around to the shift knob. It is lined in white and blue stitching, just like on the doors. It does come equipped with heated steering wheel, heated and cooling seats. Here is the center console. It has heated and cooling dual temperatures. Here we go. Then one of the most amazing features with the controlling the temperatures and everything is the sliding dialogue. I'll show you that. If you go right here, you can actually change it with just your finger. Okay, it's really amazing how they did that. It's really simple to use. You just want to keep on going up or down. Doesn't take that long. Now we move on to the screen. This thing is actually pretty cool. You can go to menu here, and it has like your nav, your radio, everything like that. Then just go back to home. And then you can also dual screen it, so you can have something playing over here and do something over there. Really cool idea. And now we move on to this beautiful steering wheel. It is really awesome and amazing. And then you got your paddle shifters here, upshift as well as downshift. As you can see over there on the left, you do have the tire pressure. You can also steer down into gear position. We're in park, so that's not going to show. And then you have your units there. Then you can go over to the F Sport where you have your G-force right there. If the wing is up, your tire pressure as well again. Your lap times, history laps. Then there's the navigation, also as well as media on the side. And then your cruise control, your messages and settings. Can change it to eco, push for normal. And then you have your Sport and Sport Plus. And then down here, you also have traction control and snow mode. Okay, so let's change this over to Eco. And the actual speedometer will change. And then let's push it back to normal. That is normal, as you can see on the left. Then if you change it to Sport and Sport Plus. Okay, so I obviously thought you guys would have wanted a POV of what it's like to be behind the wheel of an RCF. So we'll do that. Unfortunately, I can't take it out of the lot, but we can do just a little pull back here. But, you know, at least I got the chance to review this, so let's go. So foot on the brake, start right here. Ooh, wheel comes out to me. I'm gonna push it back in just a little bit up so you guys can see that. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna change it to Sport Plus. There we go, sorry. Let's go over here, put it into manual mode. Now I can access the paddles. This thing is very comfortable. I've driven it on long distances before. Absolutely amazing car. Absolutely love it. Let's just go around right here a little bit. I'm just kind of driving it around just to kind of show you what it's like to drive it. We got clear access out here. Oh, wow. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. This thing pulls really, really well. Wow. So that is the review on the 2018 RCF. I really do hope you guys like this, so if you did, please leave a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you next video.